Alright, I apologize for not being able to attend. I'm in the middle of moving, so I'm kind of bumming Wi-Fi from Barnes& and Nobles right now. Thank you, Barnes& and Nobles. I'm just going to share my storyboard really quick. I have broken it up, well, we have broken up into different sections, are colored differently. The leadership course and objectives intro, list of the qualities of leaders we want to focus on, scenarios with multiple choice, scenarios with open-ended responses, assessment questions, and feedback links and credits. These timings are not set yet. We're struggling with this because it is seeming to be a problem. We have a lot we want to say in only 3 to 5 minutes. So if you have any suggestions, positive, negative feedback, please give that to us. We really appreciate it. So we're going to start off with a brief audio explaining why leaders are important, use some images of famous leaders blending together, and discuss why leadership skills are necessary, images and audio overlaying throughout. Then we'll have an essential question of showing images here as well, and us explaining in voiceovers how can I incorporate the qualities of successful leadership into my own practices and projects. This will justify the program and give connections to the fields of work or study. Then we'll have intermittent of Dana and myself doing voice threads, explaining the goals and the objectives of what all is going on. Then a video showing a recognizable leader speaking or working with others. And then list the qualities of effective leaders using text with voiceover, highlighting each term and perhaps using a similars to Forbes. This kind of gives them an idea of what a leader is definition-wise. Then this gives the students, we'll pause and give the students time to collaborate amongst themselves regarding leadership. We'll have discussion points, and the use of pausing is available throughout. So if groups need to pause and collaborate, they can do that. Then a link to a poll where the students are going to vote which qualities they think are key leadership qualities, and let them compare to others' thoughts, and the students can decide which qualities are the most important and justify their answer in a text box question on the survey. And then we'll give a scenario to the students, probably a video of it happening while we're setting the scene up, and then give them options, bad options, creating an ugly email, laughing at others, and I'll probably display this with the video and explain it with a voiceover. And then we'll explain why the correct answer is correct and why the wrong ones are the inappropriate approach to the situation. Then we'll give a second scenario, videos with overlaid voice, wrong and correct responses, and then explaining why the correct is correct and the others are inappropriate. Then we're going to explain Web 2.0 tools, probably a Google Docs intro. That's a big up-and-coming thing. I'm just catching on to it. SurveyMonkey, which they'll see incorporated, and we'll explain how they can use it. Maybe Ballot Bin, and some other Web 2.0 tools, possibly from the previous WebEx that we were shown. We'll give them a scenario of what would you do of open-ended responses. We'll set the scene on one point and then give them a list of reactions, and they can choose what they think is the correct one, and that'll take them to another page that'll explain, good job, you got it correct, and further explain why that's correct, or nice try, but that would be inappropriate because, and this is the correct response because, and you kind of get the feel of that. And we'll do 2 of these, 3 if we have time. And then we go to the assessment, multiple choice questions, which let the students and ourselves assess if they understood the material. Sorry, throwing my words out there. We'll have a little bit of time on this. And then probably an essay prompt. How will you use these qualities in your next big project, and what key leadership qualities will you use and how, and give details. There will be an essay rubric given here that the students can look at for formulating this. This we got from our assessment portion assignment. Then additional resources, links to web class, other resources, communities, or information about leadership. And then some feedback, which we created in our evaluation and usage plan. We actually already created it. See if I can open the link. I have it open, but my screencasting software is in my way. So you can see we already created it in SurveyMonkey. See, I already had it up, so I'm not lying. And then our credits, Dana and myself, any image sources or VoiceThread sources we're able to get. So if you have any feedback, good, bad, indifferent, please share. Things we can cut or we need to add or subtract. It'd be really appreciated. Thanks, guys.